Let's see 4 stocks for Monday's session. The first stock in the list is Jindal Steel and Power Limited. I have mentioned this very stock in almost all my analysis video for this week. The reason for that is that it just broken out of this strong resistance zone and it is going on and on. We'll go to a monthly chart to understand how long this momentum is going to last. This is ideally where it should run out of steam. So there is lot of breathing room for it. So in Monday's session, I expect this uptrend to continue, and you can cash in even in the first 5 minutes of the session. Second stock that we are looking is JSW Steel. Like Jindal, I have been closely tracking this stock and almost I have mentioned it in my every single analysis video for the week. It has just broken out of this tight range and it is going on like house on fire. We'll go to a weekly chart to understand where this momentum can go. So this is ideally the range I'm expecting not Jindal, JSW to keep on going, and here you will see some kind of consolidation. If you see consolidation in this particular range and JSW still struggling to go down, then you very well might see it broke this almost 2 to 3 yearly high level, but that is a long term thing. Third stock for Monday's session is Biocon Limited. If you look at the daily chart of the stock, one thing that strikes me out and which is pretty apparent, this is a support level. If you see the price action above support level, the stock went up and you see a lot of selling, and the second kind of up rally, it didn't had too much legs. It again went up and it came down extremely fast. You can also see a round pattern developing. So in Monday's session, I expect stock to come near this support level, which is around 380, and the current market price is 391. Fourth and final stock that we are looking for in Monday's session is BPCL. If you look at the daily chart, the pattern is almost similar to Biocon. This is the support level, and if you see the first up rally above support level, it had a lot of legs, but it came down slowly but steadily, which means that here the market participant were contemplating whether to buy or not, but once they saw no buying pressure, it came down slowly. And if you see this particular rally over here, there is almost no movement above this support level. It is keep on consolidating, which means that a breakout from this support level is imminent, and we could see a target close to this level. I'll tell you the exact level right now. The current market price is 409, and the support level which I'm expecting is around 396 to 360. I think 396 would be an ideal level for Monday's session. If you want to know all the important levels that we just discussed in the 4 stocks for Monday's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.